ragged,
hungry,
homeless.
Today we're living in a shanty. Today we're scrounging for a meal. Today I'm stealing coal for fires. Who knew I could steal?
I used to winter in the tropics.
I spent my summers at the shore.
I used to throw away the papers.
He don't anymore. We'd like to thank you, Herbert Hoover, for really showing us the way. We'd like to thank you, Herbert Hoover. You made us what we are today. Prosperity was round the corner. A cozy cottage built for two. And this blue heaven that you gave us, yes, we're turning blue.
They offered us Al Smith and Hoover. We paid attention and we chose. Not only did we pay attention, we paid through the nose.
In every pot he said a chicken. But Herbert Hoover, he forgot. Not only don't we have the chicken,
You ain't got the pot.
hey Herbie, you left behind a grateful nation.
So Herbert hats are off to you.
Herbert hats are up, we're up to here with admiration.
You think you'd like a little stew?
Come down and share some Christmas dinner.
Ho, ho, ho.
Be sure to bring the missus
Bring
too.
your missus.
We got no turkey for our stuffing. Why don't we stuff you? We'd like to thank you, Herbert.
Thank you, Herbie.
for really showing us the way. You dirty rat, you bureaucrat, you made us what we